Hello guys, welcome back to English with Chanroth, and today I'm going to talk about 10 words we are mispronouncing. So now let's start with our lesson. So number 1, do you know what is it? Do you know how to pronounce it? It is chocolate, 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 not chocolate or chocolate. It's chocolate. It's chocolate. So this is the word and this is the pronunciation. So for example, most children like chocolate. Most children like chocolate. So number 2, close, 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 not closest, not closest, it's close, close. So E is a silent letter, so we don't pronounce it, we cut it out. So for example, she has just got her new clothes. She has just got her new clothes. So number 3, oh, it's the second month. It is February, 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 not February, not February, it's February's, February. For example, her birthday is in February. Her birthday is in February. So number 4, what is it? How do you pronounce it? It's height, height, height. So usually G and H, we don't pronounce it. It's a silent letter. We cut it out. So for example, because of his height, it's hard to find his clothes. Because of his height, it's hard to find his clothes. So number 5, how do you pronounce it? It's jewelry, 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 not jewelry, not jewelry, it's jewelry, jewelry. It has 2 syllables. For example, her jewelry is the height of fashion. Her jewelry is the height of fashion. So number 6, how do you read it? For me, I read it often, often, often. Or we can say often, often, often. Both are correct. If we read often, we cut out the T. So both are correct. So for example, I often do word problem with my friends. Or I often do word problem with my friends. Number 7, recipe, recipe, recipe. Not recite, it's recipe, recipe. So usually in English, we don't pronounce the E at the end. But this word, we have to pronounce it. So it is recipe, recipe. So for example, here's the receipt for the recipe book. Here's the receipt for the recipe books. So number 8, how do you pronounce it? It's receipt, receipt. So the P is a silent letter, so we cut it out. We don't have to pronounce it. It's receipt, receipt. So for example, do we have the receipt for the ice cream? Do you have the receipt for the ice cream? Number 9, pronounce it? Is it subtle? No, it is subtle, 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 or subtle, subtle. So subtle is in American English and subtle is in British English. So the B is a silent sound letter. The B is a silent letter, so we don't pronounce it, we cut it out. For example, most recipes do not have subtle instructions. Most recipes do not have subtle instructions. The last one of our lesson is the third day of the week. Is it Wednesday? No, it's Wednesday. 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 So we don't pronounce D. D is a silent letter, so we never pronounce it. We never pronounce it. Forget about it. We cut it out. So it's become Wednesday. Wednesday. For example, today is a beautiful Wednesday. Today is a beautiful Wednesday. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy our lesson today, and please don't forget to practice how to pronounce these words again at home by yourself. And for me, I also try to improve my pronunciation too. And in this lesson, if I have any mistake, please comment and correct my mistake. Thank you and bye.